Right, today I'm just gonna cook some healthy meal at home. These are the ingredients. You need some garlic and some eggs, some broccolis, some fresh chicken breast, boneless ones, and we got some, just green vegetables. I think they're mini cabbages that I got from the store. But yeah, so this is just gonna be a really, really simple meal. And I usually just cook them for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just to stay healthy. And yeah, I do have my own special trick to make it quite enjoyable. Though it's high protein, usually chicken breast and eggs taste terrible. But yeah, let's show you how it's done. Pour some hot water. Put it onto the induction at the highest temperature as possible. Wash the veggies. Wash the broccoli. So yeah, and just dice them up so that they can cook relatively faster. So I think for these you can just leave them the way it is. There you go. And then they all just go into the pot. Pretty simple. Alright, so now it's very nice, it's hot, it's boiling. You put the veggies inside, put in the broccolis. Oof. Right, and then you put in the rest of the greens. Okay. Right, very nice. And then I'm gonna just toss 2 eggs inside, let them boil. So yeah, now I just let them sit for a good, I'll say, 10 to 15 minutes. So let the veggies soften up. And there you go, you dice them up into just mini cubes. I'm not the best at chopping stuff, but yeah, just chop them up into small pieces, right? And then let's wait till the veggies are ready, and then yeah. Alright, so the veggies and the egg looks about ready. We'll turn it off. And then we just drain it out. Alright, so this is where it gets fun. So we turn it back on. I'll say leave it up to like 160 degrees. And we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, just because it's supposedly more healthier than the normal oil. Right? And then we're gonna let the oil sit for a bit. And we're gonna put in the chicken. There you go. We let it sit for a bit. Then let's put in some garlic. A good chunk of garlic to add some flavor. Mix it up. And they already kind of smell pretty decent, so yeah. Alright, we'll let it sit. Just let it cook slowly, not too fast. Let it cook. Good. And then of course, a little bit of salt and pepper. This is the special sauce. Got half a teaspoon. A little bit more special sauce here, just to spice up a little bit. But it is pretty spicy, so you want to watch out. I would say 1 spoon, like 1 spoon of this portion would be enough to add the flavor. But yeah, if the colors start to change, and you add that, and then we add the rest of the green veggies on top, just to let it heat up a bit. There you go. There you go. And there you go. So that doesn't look so bad. Okay. And then we finish it off with a little bit of sesame seeds. And voila, that looks good. It doesn't look so bad. So here we are. Got the food here. Bon appetit. Mmm. 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 It's good. Oh, hot. Broccoli. So juicy. Half-boiled egg, as you can see. It's like half-boiled. Mm. Mm. And this is actually relatively low calorie, so it's got the taste, it's got the, you know, it does make you very full, and I think relatively tastes really good. So. Wow. I think the sauce is actually, I think I might have put a little bit too much. It's a bit spicy. That's good. The broccoli is really crunchy, so I really recommend to put in some broccolis. And if you don't have broccolis, I think cucumber will go well as well. Cucumber or some eggplant, it'll definitely go well. Oh my, I'm sweating. Oh. Please guys, be careful with the sauce, okay? The special sauce, because it can get really spicy, okay? So if you're not really good with too spicy, I would really recommend you to, you know, put bit by bit and just test it out, see how much you can handle. Don't just put like 2 spoons and
you're not gonna be able to eat it. So, ooh. It's so good though. I mean, I was at a phase where I was trying to eat chicken breast, and you know it's good for you and everything, but it just, you know, you can't finish it. It tastes horrible, right? And then I came up with that idea, and with that variation, I think I've been quite successful in terms of keeping up this diet. Oh, it was a fat meal. Done. There you go. Whew. That was it for me. Stay safe.